In this video, we are going to see how we can record the sales order from any customer in Sage. As you can see in this particular transaction on 13th of January, it says sales order received from Mr. Albert, which is our existing customer. So it's very simple to enter the sales order in Sage. It's almost the same as you are entering the sales invoice. That's because sales order in future will be converted to invoice. So they have made the same template. Just go to the customers in sales and click on sales order and click on new sales order. As we can see, the template is almost the same. Just select Albert here and the date of transaction is 13th of January. So let's put 13th of January here. The order number is 25. First item is Corolla windscreen. The quantity is 12. Item is Corolla windscreen. Unit price is 560. So this makes the total to 6720. Just go on the second line. The quantity is 10. Item is Civic headlights and the rate is 210. Now just make sure that even if the unit price pops up automatically, still you have to confirm the rate from the project because the rates might differ from the previous prices when you are entering that. So 2100, let's move to the second line. And here we have 5 as quantity. Item we have is Prius filters and 70 is the rate. This makes the total to 350. So just confirm the totals once, 6720, 2100 and 350, all set. Let's save it. It sometimes shows you this message that this transaction will cause the customer balance to go over the credit limit. So if you want to reset the credit limit, we can just continue with this transaction and then afterwards we can reset or increase the limit. So click on yes. And that's how we book the sales order in Sage. Just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.